Basic Skill Bootcamp, multi-digit multiplication. In today's lesson, students will review how to solve two-digit multiplication problems using the lattice method. Using what? The lattice method. So today we're going to be reviewing the lattice method. Why am I making a box with my fingers? Why do you think? Because the lattice method uses boxes. It uses what? Boxes. That's right. Now we're going to take a look at this two-digit multiplication problem, which is 76 times 28. Now, the standard algorithm. Hold on. Did you understand what I just said? The standard algorithm. It's another way of saying the standard way to solve this is a little tricky, right? The long multiplication. So what we do is we use these boxes to kind of make this process easier. So we're going to try it like this today. Okay? We're going to first multiply the box that's on the left. The box that's where? On the left. So you see this is going to be 7 times 2. 7 times 2. Okay? So 7 times 2 is what? 7, 14. So it's 1, 10, and 4 ones. Next, we're going to go right next to this box and do 6 times 2. 6 times 2. All right, 6 times 2 is 6, 12. 12 is 1, 10, and 2 ones. Very nice. Now let's go ahead and do the box underneath it since we're working with 6. Next we would do 6 times what? 6 times 8, right? 6 times 8. And if you don't know, skip count with me by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and 48 is 4 tens and 8 ones. Last is going to be the box that's underneath 14. And this is 7 times what? 7 times 8. 7 times 8. So you know 7 times 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8. What is it? 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if you need to skip count by 7, you can. You say 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. What is it? 56, and 56 is 5 tens and 6 ones. Okay, so now is the tricky part, kind of, because now you found all the products, didn't you? You found all the answers to the multiplication tables. So now you're going to add, and you're going to have to add 3 numbers when it comes to these diagonals, but the corners are the easiest, right? Aren't they? You're going to start with this corner. Underneath the diagonal is the number 8. It's the number what? The number 8. So that will be your answer here. Next, you're going to have to add these 3 numbers that are within the diagonal. 6, 4, and 2. 6, 4, and 2, right? See it? Okay. So we're going to add 6. 6 plus 4. These are 10 pals, right? What's 6 plus 4 there? 10. Plus 2 more, 11, 12. So if you write 12, though, you must put down the 2 and carry the 1 and put it in a box. Okay? The box means do not forget to count me. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and add the 3 numbers plus the 1 that we carried. We're going to go ahead and add 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is what? What's 5 plus 4? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1 more is 10. Plus 1 more is 11. So you're going to put down the 1 and carry over the 1 again. Okay. So last, you're going to take a look at the one that's in the top left corner, and then you're going to add this one in the box. So this is 1 plus 1 is 2. That's elementary, my dear, right? Okay, so you're going to go over 1, 2, 3, comma. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, comma. And the answer is 2,128. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and we're going to check this answer using the standard algorithm, or another word for that is solving it the normal way, okay? The way that you've been taught since you were in elementary school. We're going to go ahead and start with 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is what? 8 times 6 is, remember, it's 48. You got to carry the 4. I'm going to put it in a box. Okay, and now we're going to do 8 times 7. 8 times 7, remember, 8 times 7 is 56 plus 4. 57, 58, 59, 60. So, you put the 60 right next to the 8. Okay. Are we done multiplying out the ones place? Are we done? Yes. So you can go ahead and cross it out. Now you're going to put a placeholder for 0. Are we good? Now, what's the number in the box? The number in the box is 2. That's the number in the tens place. It's the number in the what? The tens place. And you're going to multiply going diagonally first and then up and down. So I'm going to erase this number, okay, that we carried, because we're probably going to have to carry one more time. So what's 2 times 6? 2 times 6 is, remember, 2 times 6? 2 times 6 is 12. So you're going to put a 2 down, carry a 1 right on top, okay? And then you're going to do 2 times 7. We know 2 times 7 is 14, right? Plus 1 more is 15. Okay? And the last step to multiplication the multiplication problem, because you found the products, is you have to add the products together. So what's 8 plus 0? 8 plus 0 is 8. Then you have 0 plus 2. 2 plus nothing is what? What's 2 plus 0? It's 2. Good job. And then you have 6 plus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry the 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. All right. So do these numbers match? Is the answer 2,128? Yes? Good. Okay. Let's do one more example. Okay, so the next problem says 49 times 84. 49 times 84. So we're going to go ahead and start with the number that's on the top left, the box that's on the top left, and we're going to do 4 times 8. 4 times 8, okay? What is 4 times 8? Right? What is 4 times 8? It's 8, 16, 24, 32. What is it? 32. 32 is 3 tens and 2 ones. Very nice. We're going to do the box right next to it, and we have 9 times 8. 9 times 8. Okay, we're going to skip count by 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. What's the answer? 72. 72 is 7 tens and 2 ones. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the box right underneath it. We're working with 9 still. We're going to do 9 times 4. 9 times 4. Let's skip count by 9s. This is, if you're happy and you know it, 9, 18, 27, 36. So what's 9 times 4? It is 36. 3 tens and 6 ones. And last we have 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is going to go right there. 4 times 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. What is it? 16. Okay, so 1 10 and 6 ones. Okay? Now the last step, just like in when we do the standard way of multiplication, is that you have to add the products. You have to do what? Add the products. All right, so we're going to do that, only we're going to add the numbers that are under the diagonal. So the first number in the bottom right-hand corner is 6. So the answer here is 6. Now we're going to add 6 plus 3 plus 2. You're going to add these, my friends. This is addition. So 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count up. 2 more, 11, or 10, 11. Okay? So 9 plus 2 is 11. You put down the 1, carry the 1, and put it in a box. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add 1 plus 2 plus 7. Easiest way to do this is start with 7 and then count up. 8, 9, 10. 1 more than 10 is 11. So 11, carry the 1, okay? And then you're going to do the number that's in the top diagonal, okay? The top corner, top left corner. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, comma, I have it written for you. So the answer is 4,116. Say it with me. 4,116. Okay, go ahead and get that down. All right. So next we're going to solve it the standard way. But we're still going to use the lattice to help us because we already figured out the multiplication here. First you start with 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is, what's 9 times 4, my friends? 9 times 4 is 36. So you're going to put down a 6, carry the 3. All right. Then we're going to do 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is, 4 times 4, that's this box here, 16. Plus 3, 17, 18, 19. And put the 19 right next to the 6. Are you done with the 4? Are you done with the 4? Yes. So you cross it out, put a placeholder. All right, I'm going to erase this number up here, and we're going to try this again. Now, what number's in the box in the tens place? It's a 8. So we're going to multiply 8 times 9 first. 8 times 9. What is 8 times 9? We solved it here. It's 72. 8 times 9 is 72, so we're going to put down the 2, carry the 7. All right. And the last one is 8 times 4. So 8 times 4, we solved it here. 8 times 4 is 32, right? Plus 7. All right, so 32 plus 7. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, so we're going to put that 39 right here. And the last step is to add the products. The last step is to do what? Add the products. So we have 6 plus 0. 6 plus nothing is 6. 9 plus 2 is 9, 10, 11. Put down the 1, carry the 1. We have 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Carry the 1. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. So do the numbers match? Did I get 4,116 here? And in my lattice, did I get 4,116? Okay, good. So, is the lattice easier than the standard way? Is it easier? I think so.